Easy. Captain Fossa.
Sir, it's good to have you here with us again.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Amazing. Good to see you.
Thank you, sir.
What's happening now? Hope you guys are okay. What's in the happen?
We do you. Morale, yeah, morale every day.
Morale day now.
Money, but you don't see it now. We don't have. We don't have. Morale with Morale with Morale with
Morale high.
Yes, sir.
Let me see you come. Captain Afosa.
Yes, sir.
It's very eminent that I tell you this. As I can see, the morale of your men is so high. And we must maintain that.
Okay.
But meanwhile, I need only your ears. Nobody should know this.
Yes, sir.
We've lost General Gang in action.
What?
Yes. We've lost the theater commander.
He was a fine general, sir.
Yes, he is. He is. But there's no need to cry over anything right now. We must ensure that we conquer this war. And as we speak, where is the direction of the terrorist?
Sorry, we've conducted our searches and there's someone around there, but we're not particularly sure which location exactly they're in. Unfortunately, the whole place is riddled with booby traps and mines. Honestly, it's a dangerous
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care if it's riddled with booby traps and landmines. Just show me and I'll go there.